Alright, in this video we're going to look at absolute value inequalities. Actually, we're going to start with absolute value equations because solving the inequalities is very similar to using the techniques that we're going to talk about in this video. So when solving absolute value equations, you're typically going to get two different answers to your equation. Now, it doesn't mean you're always going to, but for the vast majority of the problems that you'll solve, you'll have two different answers. So try to get your absolute value expression alone and then break it into two separate cases. So example one, we're going to solve the absolute value of 3x minus 1 equals 6. And recall that the absolute value of an expression of a number is how far that number is away from 0 on a number line. So in this case, we want to find all the numbers on the number line, all the values on the number line that are going to be 6 units away from 0. Well, if we think about a number line, there's 6 spaces away from 0. It could be 6 on a number line. You'd have to go 6 spaces to get to 0. But also negative 6 on a number line. You'd have to go 6 spaces to get to 0. So we can break this down into two cases. One in which the 3x minus 1 equals positive 6, because we could say the absolute value of positive 6 equals 6. But also where the 3x minus 1 equals negative 6, because the absolute value of negative 6 also equals 6. But the vast majority of the times, we'll have two distinct cases where we get two different answers. So adding 1 to both sides in each equation, the first one gives us 3x plus 7, the second one gives us 3x equals negative 5, and then dividing both sides by 3, we get x is 7/3, and we get x is negative 5/3. So if we plug either of these two answers into the original equation, we'll get the left and right sides to be true. Or in other words, if we graph the absolute value of 3x minus 1 and we graph y equals 6, they're going to intersect at the x coordinates 7/3 and negative 5/3. Alright, that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.